Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday we were sitting at 111,000, and I mentioned the possibility of an upward move. We did see a climb to around 112,500, but the price could not establish itself above 112,000. Instead, it reversed and dropped back toward the lower level at 111,000, where we are currently trading. This is one of those Bitcoin do something moments. Despite nearly a 5% recovery since the trenches around 107,000 at the start of September, every push higher has faced resistance. On the surface, it might feel like nothing is moving, but the numbers show otherwise. From the 1st of September until today's dip, Bitcoin is still up about 3% in just 3 days. Meanwhile, Trueflation reports that inflation is sitting below 2%, currently at 1.98%. In addition, during the last 24 hours, Fed Governor Waller stated that he will support an interest rate cut at the Fed's next meeting. Following this announcement, the CME FedWatch tool jumped to a 97.6% probability of cuts happening on September 17th. Historically, such decisions have created a more favorable environment for digital assets. Looking at the 3-day heat map, the most active cluster is positioned just above the current trading area, around 112,900. This suggests increased activity in that zone, and may explain why the market continues leaning toward testing those levels. In these sectors, large players, sometimes including firms like Wintermute, can noticeably influence short-term price movements due to the concentrated nature of liquidity. This is different from traditional finance, where market depth is much broader. ETF flows remain strong. Yesterday's inflows totaled approximately $300,500,000, marking another solid session. Breaking down recent data, September 2nd recorded plus 332.8 million. August 29th showed a negative flow of 126.7 million. August 28th added plus 178.9 million. August 27th added plus 81.4 million. August 26th added plus 88.1 million. And August 25th showed plus 219.1 million. Interestingly, IBIT drove nearly all of yesterday's inflows with plus 289.8 million. While Fidelity added about 9.8 million. ARK recorded a smaller outflow of around 27.9 million, and most other issuers remain neutral. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Tap the like button if you got value from this update, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed. And see you in the next one.